Welcome to this video about English conversation lessons. Do you want to learn English? Do you want to speak English and understand others? In this lesson I will give you English conversations to increase your ability to listen. You should listen to the conversation more than once. If you do not understand the conversation, click on subtitles. CC repeat listening to the conversation until you understand each conversation.
I'm upset with my mom.
Why is that?
I warned her about her new boyfriend. She didn't listen to me.
What happened?
I gave her $1,000 for her birthday. I told her to spend it on herself.
That was very nice of you.
I found out that she gave it to her new boyfriend.
Why did she do that?
He said he would buy her a nice ring.
What's wrong with that?
He went to Las Vegas. He lost it all gambling.
Oh, I hope your mom broke up with him.
Thanks for watching English conversation lessons. Please share and like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much. Subscribe to update new lesson. Learn with cartoon.